Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to check search history on the Facebook, and all you have to do is to launch the Facebook application. And from here, once I tap on the search icon, I am going to see all the searches. Once I tap on see all, and then I'm going to tap on searches. If I wanted to delete some of them, or I have to just tap on the X that is here, and they are going to be deleted. From there, if I wanted to see now all my searches, all I have to do is to go back, and then I'm going to tap on the name here. Then I'm going to scroll down, and then I'm going to tap on settings and privacy, then settings. From here, I am going to tap on see more in account center, and then I'm going to tap on your information and permission. I'm going to tap on download your information. From there, as you can see, I had already downloaded one of them. So when teacher to download one, now I'm going to choose my account, which is this one that I want to tap on next. When I'm going to tap on specific type of information, I'm going to scroll down until I see here at logged information. I'm going to tick on the search. From there, I'm going to tap on next. And I'm going to tap on download to devices. From there, I'm going to tap on create files. And from there, our download is being downloaded. And once it is downloaded, we are going to see all our searches. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.